Okay, so today is December 7th, Thursday, and first week has, and this is the second week of December. Market is kind of, yesterday was the first sell-off where market showed some sign of weakness. So we just want to make a note of that. So last 5 days, if you see this, there was one sell-off on start of December at the rally. So 459 or 4,600, is looking to be a resistance. And when I'm looking here, this is a sharp sell-off. So this shows some level of weakness on the SP 500. Right now, today's the Dow Jones futures are little negative 0.12%. S&P 0.12% up, NASDAQ futures little up, gold and crude oil is good. Bitcoin, let's see, the Bitcoin is 43,000. So Bitcoin has been very strong, but I'm seeing first level of resistance coming near 44,000. It had a good rally all the way from November 26, from 37,000 to 44,000. That, and now I'm seeing some level of sell-off. So as of now, I believe Bitcoin is a watch. And yeah, so that's pretty much dollar. So if we see Forex, 1 second. It's okay. BTC, we'll see, let's say USD, EUR pair, where it is. So euro to dollar. So in this case, dollar is looking to be a little bit lower. And if you see a year chart again, this is close to 0.94. So in this case, so USD is little weaker compared to euro as of now. And let's see USD, Japan. So that is, in this case again, USD looks little weakness is showing in the dollar, and that also explains some level of currency weakness which was expected. And another important factor that yesterday was, if we see the international market, okay, now we go here. Today, we will go in the pre-market very shortly here. Now, one more thing is I wanted to see the world. So on the world side, we have, so yesterday, Japan had some level of good buys. So sell-off in China, India was mixed. China was okay in some area, but their internet space is not doing great. But yeah, overall, US, Europe was mixed. Ireland was mixed. Yesterday was a sell-off day in US. So okay, and yeah, pretty much mixed. I say I don't see anything specific. Now ETF trades, 1-day performance again. If you see, the tech was a loser, and commodity was positive. Another thing is corporate bonds, and so fixed income is, I see most of the growth, like money is being there. That's bond area is more stable, kind of expected. Now the semiconductors are doing again mixed. Mostly yesterday was sell-off day. So we will see how it goes today. Let's see. Okay. Energy was sell-off, so energy is weak. So yeah, that's for now. And any questions, sir?
Just, let's continue. I'll ask.
Sure. Okay. The next thing was looking into the earnings. So yesterday we had GameStop earning, which was unexpected.
And also AI.
Yeah. AI and GameStop both sold off aftermarket. So, about 10% drop in AI, and let's say 6 months. So AI was all the way trying to recover from 24, 25. It was showing some positives, and then it had after earnings, it went down. And let's see if we have AI data. So that's still July, so we don't have it here. But from the, let's see from the news if we can get something. So November 15th, no, we don't have. Let's say we do 5 days. Don't have it here. So as of yet, okay, so it says the revenue has gone down, department. So for now, it has gone down because of the revenue mix. So for that's the reason it has gone down. We'll see how it goes today. Other thing is the GME, which was kind of there was signal of some level of meme rally, but that has not happened. In fact, there was a sell-off. So I see GME after earnings, sold off. So it's tried to went up and then went down, and right now it's minus 8.22%, about 13.62. So looking like GME will be testing 14 and may actually between 14 and 14.5, like end of this week, or maybe close to try to touch 15. Overall, let's say it tips after revenue mix, says equity investment. So so Cohen is still, and another thing is not just GME but Chivi, which is the other where Ryan Cohen is major person, is also looking to be as I think Nilesh was asking about Chivi. Chivi is showing weakness after the earnings. So it's there was a month Chivi had tried to appreciate, and now it's back to where it was about. It's testing its recent most support. So that is what I see. And today we have earnings like we have in the aftermarket, we have Broadcom, Lululemon, DocuSign, Restaurant Hardware, and Smartsheet. These are the main ones. And then I think Vail Resorts, Guidewire, Cooper Companies. So for now, I think let's just quickly go over these four: Broadcom, Lululemon, DocuSign, and Restaurant Hardware. So,
Avinash? Bye.
yes.
Avinash.
Yes.
Between the AI and Chewy and UiPath, UiPath came up with a very good earnings, remember?
Yes.
So suppose for long term, would you recommend? Go with a good earnings guy like UiPath or AI?
Path had a good earnings, but again, I would recommend to enter into Path somewhere close to $19.
Okay.
Already, so I am not a big believer of unless you're buying options, buying stocks, or you're buying into, let's say, 25% of your maximum value, and then you're scalping every strength.
Yeah.
Example here, what you can do is you can buy with 25% of your position near 22.5 when it has some weakness, and wherever 24, 25, you take profit and then wait for. I do not think that UiPath will go up and cross 25 and next 30-day cycle. It may,
Okay.
yeah, I would say the idea will be it has to come first down before it can
Then
go.
we can think about it. Huh?
Yeah. So if any day UiPath comes to 22 or 22.5, let me know, because that's where first level of support will be there, and
Okay.
we can enter at that time. Yeah.
So AI is 26 now. So what do you think? Shall we buy some?
AI,
Because the earnings are bad.
I would look AI more of a projection base. So I would say AI is okay to add, let's say.
Because it's 26 right now.
Yeah, so 26. Yeah, 26 seem to be okay. I mean, you can add some and you can actually initiate your position if you are not already in AI.
Okay.
That is fine. We are let's see. After that, DocuSign and Restoration Hardware. Let's see. So Restoration Hardware was pretty much flat. It's in the earning in the afternoon, after hours. So let's see. Restoration Hardware has been, there was a sell-off. It came all the way from 392. The low is 225, close to 279. 264 is the level of is an area where it is trying to get tested. And from the revenue point, I see that the revenue is kind of slowly going down. Main thing is the bottom line is also very like, it was almost down at the level and then it's coming up. So the bottom line is getting better. So one more thing is the annual. So far, the annual income has gone up, and this probably is the first or second quarter at the most. So annual earning has gone a little up. Let's see, the balance sheet is, so assets have gone little, it's kind of hoverish there. Liabilities have increased. So probably they are looking to expand, or the cost of operation has increased. And in this case, the cash flow. So again, this is where I'm looking. Cash flow has been negative, and I want to know why is that. And so July 2023 was negative cash flow, about $1 billion. So we'll like to understand why the company is going in that route. So, but yeah, for now I'll be Restoration Hardware. I will think that this stock has some upside, but then it may actually sell off. So we are looking at near 280, 290 to be the area, and then where it may actually go down. Let's see, another thing is, okay, so 5-year chart is showing that this still hovering, but important part is the guidance may be something that may not be in their favor. He says like shares stumble as slowing sales prompt. So what's happening is people tend to reduce on their discretionary spend. Another thing is the new homes sale have reduced because of the higher interest rate. As part of that, the furniture buys have, because one of the major recycle element of furniture side is when there's a new home bought, when people tend to buy new furnitures. So that has gone down. And I think that was one of the reasons that during COVID period, people had bought a lot of furniture. They were at home and they were trying to online. So when you're online, you tend to buy more stuffs. So yeah, that was the reason it went up. Now it's going to, I'm expecting that this probably a little bit upside, and it will just stay like this, or maybe little go down. So unless it has some level of cost reduction measures, and it wants to take care of its operating income somehow, then this stock may actually go up again. One more factor is RH major investment by Berkshire. So Berkshire Hathaway recent holdings. So here, let's see what Berkshire has. So Berkshire portfolio, if we see, so this is Berkshire's holding. Most likely they have reduced on RH in that case. So Apple, Bank of America, American Express, Coca-Cola, CBX, Oxy. So they are, and then KC, I don't know. So yeah, for now, Apple being the major one. Another important factor is already Berkshire will be looking into some level of weakness, as speculation has come to point where, like, the Charlie Munger has passed away. So things like who will be taking care of Berkshire, and also about Buffett also, what planning for Berkshire Hathaway after Buffett is no longer. Okay.
He's also close to 100.
Which one?
Warren Buffett also, you're close to 100.
Yeah. Yep.
Age is age.
Yeah, he's
very close.
I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's that age where anything can happen. So Munger, 9, he was 94, he's 94. So we'll see. But yeah, been a great legend investor. I still follow his mantras. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, me too, Avinash.
Yeah, so I think this is yeah, for now I will just say that
you know, right? I have an MBA degree.
What do you have?
MBA.
MBA?
Okay, I'll tell you later.
Okay, sure. Yeah, definitely. So we'll go through this, and as of now, Restoration Hardware, I need to see whether what's the holding position of Berkshire in this case. I don't see Restoration Hardware, so probably he has reduced that. Earlier, he was holding a good amount of position in Restoration Hardware as well. So, okay, so this is one thing. Now, the other part is, so other than Restoration Hardware, we have DocuSign. Let's see DocuSign. Okay, so DocuSign is from the business standpoint, what DocuSign is, again, many real estate deals, certain have reduced, but I'm seeing some level of incremental growth in DocuSign. So let's see, DocuSign's top line is growing, bottom line is very soft, income wise is negative income, and want to understand why. Balance sheet is assets increasing, liabilities are also increasing. Cash flow, yeah, so good. Cash flow is good, so that's positive. Now, how much is coming from operations? 505. Investing income is negative, so wherever they have been investing the money, they are losing money there. Cash from financing is also negative, so wherever they probably may have not been getting the recoveries that they have. Change in cash is positive, so that's good. Free cash flow is $741 million, so good. So as of today, Docu looks to be stable. I will be just fixing, like, say, I think, yeah, as of now, the market has to go in their favor so that the positive guidance can be positive further. Another important factor I would like to see is, in case of Docu, is $47 per hour, and market cap is $9 billion. There, another important, nowadays I'm also giving attention to the CDP climate change score. So I like to, because any company with this has potential to have positive sentiment versus yeah. Okay, so number of employees 7,336. So in case of Docu, I like to see what new offering are they bringing up, how are they expanding on their business. That's one area I'd like to understand. We'll see how that is going through.
But this, Avinash, this has a lot of competition from Adobe.
Yes, that's right. So, but both of them are at a space where they're like, they need to expand. And another part is the expansion has slowed down because of the cost of operations. And other than AI, whichever companies in AI, they might be expanding in certain services. But for now, if you see, but Adobe is doing better than DocuSign because they have other suites. Maybe their subscription model is is better compared to yearly chart of DocuSign and Adobe. Yeah, this way different. So as of now, DocuSign is still speculative, but I think it still has upside. They are generating good revenue, positive cash flow coming from their operations. So I think DocuSign is looking okay. I mean, valuation wise, I'll think that this is good. Okay, so that is all, and then tomorrow there's hardly anything. So Momo is one Chinese stock, and Johnson Outdoors. So that's fine. That will end our this week's of earnings. Anything specific we are looking from this week's earnings? Let's see. Okay,
What is that Neo? What happened to Neo?
Neo started doing good because Neo, if you see after earnings, I'm seeing a lot of sell-off, a lot of resistance, but but Neo has been trending up now. After the earnings, Neo's is at a point where has been sold off. So Neo is a good entry point. I can buy Neo and hold it for longer. Only thing is, it's a Chinese company. That's the only threat. But other than that, it is good. They're doing production. They're expanding. So after a long time of slowness, I see some strength. It's good buy at this point. Yeah. So we'll see. Now they're still a June statement. This is not yet updated. So this is good. I will, from their news, let's see. Quickly, let's see what Neo has to say. So their deliveries have 55,000, 22. So almost there's a 20,000 delivery increase, which there was some slowness in 2023. So there's a good jump, and that you can see the reason why Neo started to outperform after the earnings. So there is good level of strength. 31,040. So average they have done very good. 2020 231. So yeah, I think Neo is getting better. Okay. Their net loss. Okay, gross margin is 8%, which we'll like to understand again. Okay. So current asset liabilities now about 96 RMB. Okay. Where is Neo looks to be good. I mean, we'll go through this another time in detail. But yeah, I think we'll do another. We'll have a call tomorrow as well. Like last 2 days, we got certain things came up last moment, but yeah. So let's touch base. So Neo is one, and from this week, what else we did? Yesterday, MongoDB. Let's see quickly a MongoDB. We'll see, and then we will stop today. So MongoDB has. Okay, there was a sharp sell-off. So from 387, 433. Okay, it's been up. So after earning, looks like there was a sell-off from 433 to 387. Right now, I'll just be looking to be watchful on MongoDB, play or through options. Yeah, not buying stocks of MongoDB unless I get more information. Okay, all right. So, have a like I said, I think as I say, market seems to be neutral. Yeah, after yesterday sell-off, today maybe actually just maybe an initiation or just stay like that. Continue the trend of downside, or it will just between be 4,500 to 4,600. Let's see where it goes. Okay. All
Okay,
right.
sir.
Okay, then see you tomorrow. Okay.
Thanks, Avinash.
Thank you.